Hey everyone, welcome back to our new Arabic lesson. It's Fatma here, your favorite Arabic teacher. I'm here to teach you Arabic in an easy way. And in this lesson, we're going to learn how to make different sentences with how, which we say شلون in Arabic dialects. So, if you are interested in learning Arabic, don't forget to subscribe to your channel. Stay with me and let's start. Listen carefully, please. The first phrase that you really need to know is شلونك. شلونك. شلونك in Arabic means how are you? We use it to a man. What about to a girl, to a woman? We say شلونك. 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 Guys, instead of saying شلونك, شلونك, you can say شلون أحوالك. شلون أحوالك. How are you? شلون أحوالك. شلون أحوالك. For response, you can say زين الحمد لله. زين الحمد لله. That's it. زين means fine. الحمد لله means thank God. زين الحمد لله. شلون أقدر أساعدك. شلون أقدر أساعدك. How can I help you? شلون how أقدر I can أساعدك I help you. شلون أقدر أساعدك. شلون سويت هذا. شلون سويت هذا. How did you do this? شلون how سويت you did هذا this. شلون سويت هذا. How did you do this? Guys, in Arabic when we want to say what do you mean, we say شلون يعني. شلون يعني. شلون how يعني means it means, but when we use them together it means what do you mean. شلون يعني. شلون كان يومك. شلون كان يومك. How was your day. شلون how كان it was. يوم day, when we say يومك it means your day. شلون كان يومك. شلون أفهم هذا. شلون أفهم هذا. How can I understand this? شلون how أفهم I understand هذا this. شلون أفهم هذا. شلون عرفت, or you can say شلون عرفت. How did you understand? شلون how عرفت you understood. شلون عرفت how did you understand. شلون أمورك. شلون أمورك. how are things. شلون أمورك. شلون أقولها بالإنجليزي. شلون أقولها بالإنجليزي. How can I say it in English? شلون how أقول I say ها it أقولها I say it in إنجليزي English بالإنجليزي in English. شلون أقولها بالإنجليزي. Okay guys, our lesson has finished. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you've enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to your channel. And if you have any questions about this lesson, please ask me in comment section. I'm gonna answer all of your questions. Bye.